Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today let's make a muck dyed spiral. The shirt was prepped like normal and I have it turned inside out. I'm using a pair of locking tweezers to begin my spiral, and I'm going to start the spiral just about level with the armpits of the shirt. By the way, I have a link down below in the description for this video for the locking tweezers and quite a few of the other items that I use when I tie-dye. I also list the dye colors that I used on the shirt down below. So if you aren't familiar with the term muck dyed, all it basically means is that I'm going to put the shirt down into a container and allow it to sit in the runoff from all of the melting ice. So here's the color palette that I've chosen for this shirt. And before I begin applying the dye, I'm going to divide my shirt into 6 sections. I'm going to start by applying Orchid from Dharma Trading Company. Followed by Pure Magenta from Dye Spin. Then I went ahead and switched the order and I'm going to apply Royal Purple from Grateful Dyes. Followed by Dharma's Plum Blossom. Boysenberry from Pro Chemical and Dye. And Cotton Candy from Pro Chemical and Dye. Then I'm going to add a sprinkle of soda ash over the top and load on the ice. I want to add plenty of ice to the top of the shirt because I'd really like for the shirt to sit all the way down inside the muck. I want it to cover the entire shirt. Then I'm going to set the container aside where it won't be disturbed and allow all the ice to melt and allow the shirt to process for 24 hours after all the ice melts. Okay, so this is what it looks like right before I rinsed it out, and as you can see, I had plenty of muck down in my container. I started rinsing the shirt in cold water to rinse out the soda ash. And then I gradually warmed the water up to hot, untied the shirt, and continued rinsing to rinse out any of the excess dye that didn't bond with the fabric. When the water was running almost clear, I put the shirt along with some Dharma's textile detergent into my washing machine and washed it using a hot water cycle. And after the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys think? I think this one turned out really pretty. I really like the color combination of purple and pink, which I'm sure you know I use that one quite a bit. If you ice dye quite a bit, you're probably familiar with the fact that pinks don't always ice dye very well. Sometimes they just kind of disappear when you use them for ice dyeing. And so I tried to choose pink colors that I knew would work really well with ice dyeing. The only one that I think is a little bit light is the Plum Blossom, and that color in general is usually a lighter color. But I really like it. I think it looks really pretty. I also like the really dark Royal Purple. I'm glad that I added that in. I think it gives just enough depth to the shirt, and it needs just kind of that dark color in there. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up soon, and I think this shirt would be perfect. So if you guys have enjoyed the content of this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.